This is the video that ties everything together. Fractions, decimals, and percentages. They look like three completely different things. But once you see what they actually have in common, everything clicks into place. Fractions, decimals, and percentages are not three separate topics. They are three different ways of writing exactly the same value. 1/2, 0.5 and 50% are identical. The number has not changed, only the way it has been written. All three exist to describe a part of a whole. A fraction does it with a top and bottom number. A decimal does it with a point. A percentage does it on a scale out of 100. Same idea, three different tools. And you can move between all three once you know how. To go from a fraction to a decimal, divide the top by the bottom. To go from a decimal to a percentage, multiply by 100. To go the other way, divide a percentage by 100 to get the decimal. Then write the decimal as a fraction and simplify. 2 steps in each direction. That is all it takes. The most useful thing you can do is learn the common values in all three forms. 1/2 is 0.5 is 50%. 1/4 is 0.25 is 25%. 3/4 is 0.75 is 75%. These handful of values come up constantly in everyday life. Walk into any shop during a sale and you might see 1/4 off, 25% off, or 0.25 off on a price tag or website. All three mean exactly the same saving. Knowing that means no sign or offer can ever confuse you again. This connects to almost everything in everyday maths. Comparing prices. Reading a payslip. Understanding a loan rate. Working through an exam question that mixes all three forms in the same problem. Once you see them as one concept rather than three separate ones, it all becomes much more manageable. The biggest mistake is treating fractions, decimals, and percentages as three completely separate things to learn. That makes the whole subject feel 3 times harder than it needs to be. They are one concept. Learn the connection once and all three come with it. To recap, fractions, decimals, and percentages all represent the same value in different forms. Divide the top by the bottom to get the decimal. Multiply by 100 to get the percentage. Learn the common values in all three forms, and most of everyday maths takes care of itself. Next up, fractions on a number line. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more everyday maths so you don't miss one.